What Igbo people cannot do does not exist. My people, come see this one. Oh, they say this our brother don't check how cars, everything now come dey cost for this Teturumbu had a column. Now this man said no. Young man, he said no, say no go green. Now so the guy go start to draw his own plan of car where he go take support his own business. Now so the guy go build car where he go fit use go dey sell pure water. I want you to watch this video and see that God really bless ndị Igbo what ihe a na-akpọ what they called nkanozu. This one is a science and technology is wasting in ala Igbo. Go to many prisons today and investigate. You will see that most of the people in the prison in Imo, in Anambra, in Abia, in this thing are people that these people have talent too, but because of the situation of the Nigeria where they put them, they put hand for bad things. Our youth are languishingly inside some various prison in Nigeria today. So you see this kind of thing you see here, there's a lot of thousands of people that can do more better. Today they are inside prison, but this our brother said no, that is not going to be part of the story, that is going to construct his own car and use and support in business. And play the video, may you watch and see how God take bless the Igbo people. I know say this video go to pay some tribe we hate Igbos, but keep hating while they are growing. Watch the video before we come back and continue. Don't forget to see there for Balaba Gist. As they watch this video, if you're watching from YouTube, make sure you subscribe and share the video. If you're watching from Facebook, make sure you follow. Please watch the video before we come back and continue.
This motor in Afuna Bokwa, one young guy, Jaka Welo Motor. According to him, this car in Afaba Bo Machine Kobunji Machine Machine Koji Henny knife for now, Loy Penny now Pure water. Look at it here. Look at it. If I before one of our brother Jenny Pure water. Young one pan, low everything. Just Loy Penny like this. Nah, no be smart thing. Nji mashimo oji ebu pure water. Mata ya efolo, ya matile everything. Brother, Kadoli. Come. Look at it. Ya want everything in the fly by this boy only. Ya want all those things. Bia kan jogo. Ezo kuna nji machine kemo ibabu. Ese? CG 250. Go. 250.
Yeah.
So can joggle. So this motor now, engine machine, so even in my grass, everything. Okay, go build all those things Nina with engine machine.
Yeah.
Nina like this, or do like this. Yes, sir?
That I'm around on drive test.
On
Drive test. So today the first day in Nani. I can test, I can manage the capacity. So 150 bags of pure water.
Okay, 150 bags of pure water.
I hope you are new boss, man. Hope you are new boss, Mamaka. Hope 10 years.
10 years.
Yes. Because Obu car gearbox. So he move with car transmission. He and I can.
Okay, then the
machine side about the auxiliary. So 5 years from the car gearbox and 5 years for the motorcycle engine. So 10 years. So 5 with the high gear and 5 with the normal movement gear.
Nah, no be smart, you know. How about this guy this motor in half now? Young one motor GNA had pure water. Young one motor for now from A to Z. If any knife from a motor, this guy, Jaka, lower this thing for now. Do you see what this guy build? Nah, be a honorable. Okay, Bonnie State. Mani be no Anambra State.
Yeah, I'm on the local government.
On the local government. Nah, Bonnie State. Mani be no ba.
Yeah, Manese.
Huh?
Manese is.
Okay, Kisi. Nah, no be smart, you know. Nah, Chineke goes in Igbo. Never this guy, lolo. Oji engine machine de ko kuru where ya wa kujaka lo hwani na fly bar. Lord, this is GNL pure water. Look at. Yanwalu ihe niile ma gear. No, this guy's really far, ma gear, ma everything. Nah, no be smart, you know. Do you see? If you go, Chineke gozi ndị Igbo, Chineke nye ndị Igbo talent. Look at it. Yanwa jaka ma pan niile ma everything, ma tire. Yanwa jaka lụọ ife niile anyị fụrụ ebe a. Lụọ all these things with the sons no the engine machine. Go engine machine where lụọ ife niile a. Aka m aga back and mee interview because noise there about too much. Aka m aga back mee interview. Chineke gozie ndị Igbo. Dịka na watch video a, make sure that you share this video. This our brother, in fact, my tire, everything. You know this guy's very easy funny now. My blank. Ha! Now not be smart, you know. So they can watch the video. They can watch the video. Please share this video. I will still go to his house and do him interview. Makano is the driver. From A to Z, dio, Moako. My fan a future milk and millionaires. My steering, no. Then what you got here in a feast here with engine machine or lose tele. He just go and lose engine machine. Well, a lawyer in iPhone. In fact, Chineke goes in Igbo, and then they couldn't need to help. Now this kind of people now alone couldn't need help. Where this kind of talent? They got the talent in this guy well Lord motor like this. Eh? Well, engine machine, well Lord motor like this. If I bought money with talent. Open up at this guy now. If for the government he gets speak here, but look at what he build. Many people can feel I don't care. If you go, my God bless the Igbos. I come back and interview and take your number. They can watch video, share this video. This kind of this the mother need to help this guy to promote him. This guy need to promote, only need to help. Yes. Share this video and I will still go to your house and
do you really see how blessed the Igbo people are? If you go for Igbo today, you find a lot of talent in Igbo land, and this talent you are seeing in Igbo land, my brother, if you get money, you go invest in those talents. You go see say it will give you a good return because our people know how to do it and they know how to get it. But if na China people do this motor now, we go run go buy am. We go place order. Wow, China, this one go for it. But this our brother can as well even do more safe for people that also need this kind of business. So my people, let us start supporting ourselves and bringing ourselves up. We were only that's how China people started. So they keep supporting themselves. The government, their leaders, government or whatever are also putting hand. But because of where we are today, we cannot be able to shine. But I believe that time will come and we are going to shine. So God bless the Igbo nation and also bless all the whole young Igbos who have talent. That talent must come aside. He say, Mona share this video.